Welcome to iGlobal Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Yesterday, bond yields in the US advanced and recorded a high of 309. This triggered quite significant momentum in the US dollar, and across the board, a lot of the markets tumbled. The Australian dollar got to a low around 74.45, which is where the support is, before rebounding, with the US taking a slight breather now to the greenback. The fact is that we could see a slight rebound from yesterday continue, and looking towards the immediate target of 75.60. This could actually see further increase if we do see a break towards the 76 level, where I'll be looking to shorten this market. And also from a hedge fund point is where this 60-day moving average comes in. I expect them to come in roughly around the region of 76, 60, 80. But I'm a little bit skeptical of this bullish call, purely for the fact is that the dollar index is still relatively quite strong, considering how it's been performing over the last few weeks in the bull trend. And also to note, the fact is that the overnight high was another fresh 6-month posted of 93.49. So if we look at the euro, you can see that the market did take out 118 and has confirmed the target of 116.60. Although we are seeing that slight recovery due to the fact that the US dollar has taken a slight step back from its bullishness and taken a bit of a breather, is that any opportunity to sell this market now would be seen towards a high 118. And it still is a lot of work to do to turn this bearish case around for the euro, because it has to take out 119.15 to progress up to 120, but this looks unlikely. Therefore, we could see further weakness into the next 12 to 24 hours. Well, the dollar yen case still holds to the bull outlook, and from where I am viewing is that we are looking immediately towards 110.45.55, which could progress further up towards 111.25 as immediate target before profit taking sets back in. Support is seen now at 109.60.70. Interesting to see, overnight the pound took another challenge to the downside with these 3 dojis in place, as well as the rebound from the 134.45.55 and the RSI rising, and also the MACD histogram does support a slight bullish case for the pound. Therefore, we could see a move up towards 55 or up to 136 and reassess from there. Any pullback looks still towards the region of 134.45.55 as a base. A couple of things with gold. Well, we've got a long-legged doji after rebounding off the low of 12.86. And along with that, we've got a couple of things in play now. Firstly, it was reported this morning that Donald Trump appears less certain about whether a planned summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un will take place. Earlier in the week, North Korea cancelled a planned meeting with South Korea, claiming joint US and South Korea military drills was a provocation and preparation for an invasion. That's what the media reports in the US. And secondly, if that's the case, then further geopolitical risk will come back onto the table. Therefore, could see a squeeze back above 1300 and look up towards 1330. It would seem to me that the market was just taking out stops on this move down. So fresh weakness could still be seen as a buy, but we do need to see a break back above 1,300. Otherwise, we could, in the short term, see a pullback to 84 to 78. Silver, however, is still maintaining above that $16.15 after once again staging a very good rally overnight. And from the rally, could actually see a little bit further upside, but be a little bit on your guard and still leave enough room to buy the dip if we see another pullback in silver, with the resistance seen now at 55. Oil, well, the market's looking back towards the top side of the range after recently stabbing a high of 71.91 this morning, which was pretty much where it was the previous day, and the rejection. At present, I am a little bit skeptical of this rally, so I do view that we should see a pullback from 72 and look back to the target of $70.30 and reassess from there. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.